Hello students, see this today's chemistry objective paper solutions. You know the topic we have from the basic concept of chemistry. Let us see from the question number 31 onwards we have. See question number 31. The weight of oxygen in 1 mole of each Fe2O3 and FeO in the simple ratio Fe2O3 and 1 mole what? FeO. They ask me regarding about the ratio of each one oxygen only. Here we have 3 oxygens are there. Here 1 oxygen is there. Here what is the weight of this one? 3 into 16. Here 1 into what? 16 only. This is 48 and this is what? 16 only. How can I write the simple ratio? Can I cancel here 3 times? 16. These are what? 48 only. 16 1 times 16. What is the ratio you got? You got 3:1 ratio only. So the next question we have question number 32 only. The equivalent weight of zinc hydroxide in the following equation is equals to its. Here, so the equation here ZnOH taken 2 times plus HNO3 gives rise to ZnOH NO3 plus H2O. What they ask here? Equivalent weight of they ask what na zinc hydroxide. So generally how can you find out the equivalent weight? My equivalent weight is equal to what na formula weight by P n factor. Clear? So what is the n factor for this zinc hydroxide means? Here how many OH groups are there? 2 OH groups only. Here how many OH groups are there? 1 OH groups only. How many OH groups are replaced? 1 OH groups only. You can see the difference here. The difference in what here? 1 OH group only. So n factor how much? 1 only. So what is your answer? Your answer is formula weight by 1. Formula weight by 1. So this is question number 32 we have. See the question number 33 we have. What volume of 6 molar HCl should be added to 2 molar HCl to get 3 molar HCl? Okay, yes, I made the question here. So this is question number 33 we have. Okay. What volume of 6 molar HCl should be added to 2 molar HCl to get 1 liter of 3 molar HCl only? Let us take we have 3 containers only, or you can take the first beaker. What the first beaker is there? The first beaker having what? 6 molar HCl. We don't know what is the volume. And second beaker, what we have? Second beaker having 2 molar HCl. Here also we don't know what is the volume. But the third one is given. What is the third one is given? The third one is given what? 3 molar HCl. The volume is given what here? 1 liter. How this 3 molar HCl is formed means by combining the first container with the second container, you will get the third container molar HCl. Okay, so this is what, suppose this volume I am writing here V is equal to V1, here V is equal to what? V2 I am writing only. Here the what is the total volume? This is what? V1 plus V2 is equal to 1 liter. Why here V1 V2? Because if you have these two mixing, what is the total volume? V1 plus V2 is equal to what here? That is 1 liter only. From this I will write here V1 is equal to, I will write 1 minus V2. V1 is equal to what? 1 minus V2. Now we are saying this is first one, this is second one, this is what? Resultant one only. I will write here M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to, I will write this one M3 V3 only. So here what here? This is M1 only. 6 molar HCl is M1. This is what? V1 only. So 2 molar HCl is what? M2. This is what? V2. And 3 molar HCl is what? M3. And this is what? Total volume only. So V3 means what here? This is the total volume. Total volume how much here? V1 plus what? V2 only. We will write here. So this V3 is equal to V1 plus V2 means, or you can say from practically they given V3 value how much here? 1. Now let us substitute the values. M1, this is 6 into V1 plus M2, this is 2 into V2 is equal to, what is the M3 value? This is 3 into 1 liter. Now we see here 6 into, what is V1? 1 minus V2. 1 minus V2 plus 2 V2 is equal to what? 3 only. So this is 6 minus 6 V2 plus 2 V2 is equal to what? 3 only. So I will write here 6 minus 4 V2 is equal to what? 3 4. Okay. Then you write here 6 minus 3 is equal to 4 V2. Then 4 V2 is equal to what? 3 only. V2 is equal to what? 3 by 4. V2 is equal to what here? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 value, this is 0.75. But the asking volume, now what you can write here, V1 is equal to 1 minus V2, that 1 minus 0.75 only. How much it is? 0.25. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? 0.25. So this is question number 33. Now we can see question number 34. Okay, I will write the question here. Question number 34. See the question number 34. The normality of 1 molar sodium carbonate solution is 1 molar sodium carbonate solution. So sodium carbonate solution generally the n factor that generally how can write here NaCO3 dissociated to what? 2Na plus and what? CO3 2 minus here. The n factor is equal to I will write to 1. What is the relation between molarity and normality? Normality n is equal to n into n. So n is what is the factor? This is 2. And what is the molarity is given? 1 only. Means what? 2. So what is the question number 34 answer? That is option 2 only. So we will take 2 normal is the answer for this question only. Now you can see question number 35. Question number 35. 10 grams of CaCO3 on heating gives 5.6 grams of CaO and dash grams of the CO2 only. Calcium carbonate on heating. CaCO3 on heating gives CaO plus 1 CO2 only. Generally, if you take this one calcium carbonate weight, calcium 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 3, 48. So 20, here 40 plus 12 plus 14, you will get what? 100. This is 100 grams. So how much of CaO? Calcium 40 plus 16, how much man? This is 56 only. If you take the carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide weight how much means here? 44 grams only. Carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 2, 32, you will get 44 only. But how much they are taking man? They are taking how much here? They are taking the value of calcium carbonate 10 grams they are taking. 10 grams they are taking only. So 10 is can I write here? What you get 100 by 10, suppose I am getting what you get by 100 by 10 I get 10 only. If you write here 56 by 10, then how much I will get here? I will get what? 5.6 only. If you write 44 by 10, then how much you will get? 4.4. Okay, so what is your answer? 4.4 grams of CO2 formed in the reaction only. First I wrote the balance equation information, then the given information. I will compare with the given information with the, okay. What are the given information with the information from the equation, and I get how much here? 4.4 grams only. See the next question, question number 36. The number of atoms present in 16 grams of oxygen gas. 16 grams of oxygen gas only. So generally if we take oxygen gas, what is the oxygen weight of 16 into 2 how much? 32 only. I will write here 32 grams of O2 gas contains, I will write 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms only. You know here, what is the formula here? Number of atoms, number only. How many atoms of oxygen we have? 2 only, that is 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms only. But here given how much here? Given 16 grams only. So 16 grams of O2 gas contain what? X atoms only. Do the cross multiplication. So X is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 16 by what man? You will get 32. 2 into 16 how much here? 32 only. So here 16 can cancel, here 16 cancel. So X equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 only. Okay. So you will see the options for that one. You will take option 4 only. Now we can see next question we have question number 37 only. So question number 37 tells that here two elements X atomic weight X and Y is given. So what is the atomic weight of X is given man? Atomic weight of X is given 75 only, and atomic weight of Y is given how much, man? This is 16 only. What they are asking? They are combined to give a compound having 75% of X only. What they are asking? They are asking what is the formula of the compound will be. Okay, what is the percentage of X is given, man? Percentage of X is equal to the given. What is given, man? 75.8 only. Okay, from this you want to find the percentage of Y. What will write, man? 100 minus percentage of X only. So you write here 100 minus 75.8 only. So if you take this one 100, this is 75.8 only. That means what you will get, man? 2 here. 9 means what you will get here? 4 only. What you will get, man? This is 24.2 you will get only. How much, man? 24.2 only. So this is what here? This is the percentage of Y only. What they are asking here? They are asking what is the formula of the compound. Just you can apply here empirical formula concept only. So here X is there, here what, man? Y is there. X percentage of 70.5.8 by what you will get, man? 75 only. So Y percentage how much we have? Y percentage we have 24.2 by 16 you will get this percentage only. Okay, then you can do the simplification, you will get the answer for this question only. See this one, my X is 75% by 75, 24.16 you will get here 1.01, here 1.53. So which one is value here? This value we have 1.01 only. Divided with 1.01 you will get 1 only. Here what you will get? 1.5 only. After dividing what you will get here? I will write here approximately 1 and 1.5 only. But 1.5 you are not taking a fraction only. What you will do? You can multiply with this one only. So you can multiply this 1.5 with 1, 2 only. This one with 1, 2 only. So what you will get, man? You will get 2:3. What is the formula you will get? X2 by 2. So what is your answer, man? Your answer is what? 4. So this question related to which one? Empirical formula only. Come to question number 38 we have. The amount of oxalic acid hydrated can be required to prepare 500 ml of its normal 0.1 normal solution only. So this question related to normality. What is the normality formula? Normality N is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume only. So you can find out here gram equivalent weight of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid formula we have H2C2O4 2H2O only, and factor is 2 for this question because it will give 2H plus ions only. So gram equivalent weight of acid is equal to gram molecular weight by N factor only. If you find out this gram molecular weight by combining all the atomic weight of the elements, you will get here 126. This is by 2 only. You will get how much, man? 63 only. Okay. Now the normality given how much, man? 0.1 is equal to weight by, this is 63 into 1000 by, what is the volume of the solution is given? The volume of the solution is given how much, man? 500 only. So this is 2 times cancel only. So weight is equal to 0.1 into, you will get 63 by 2 only. So how much you will get? Means so you will get 3.15 grams. See question number 39 we have. The equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic solution only. KMnO4. In what solution, ma? Acidic solution only. Already we discussed in the basic concept topic itself only. In the acidic solution, KMnO4 dissociates to give what ions, ma? Mn plus 2 ion only. So manganese how much here? Plus 7 oxidation number. We find out the manganese oxidation number what? Plus 7 here plus 2. How many change of electrons are there? 5 electrons only. This is what? En factor. So what they are asking, what is the equivalent weight of it? So equivalent weight is equal to what you will get, molecular weight by n factor. Molecular mass by n factor only. Potassium permanganate you will find out here 39, this is 55, and this is 16 into 4 what? 64. All together you will get how much here? 158. What is the n factor we have? 5. Okay, so then what you will get? This is 3 only, this is 31. This is 3 times cancel here, 1 5, here 31.6 you will get only. So what is the answer for this question? 31.6 is the answer only. Now you can see question number 40 here. Question number 40, law of definite proportion is not applicable to the nitrogen oxide. This is already in your material question only. So it is not because the nitrogen equivalent weight is one variable only. Direct question it is. So we will take option 3. And question number 41 also direct question only, which represents the percentage by strength. Percentage by strength means, percentage means what a percentage of the strength they are asking. This is related to concentration terms only. So what answer we will take means here, volume of the solute by volume of the solution into what ma? 100 only. So your answer is what ma? 3 for this question. Okay. Now we will say the next question we have. The pair of 42 question only. The pair of species having same percentage of the carbon. They are asking what ma? Same percentage of carbon. The first one you can say, the first one is given CH3 COOH and one more what man? C6H12O6. This is the molecular formulas are given. From this I want to write the empirical formula. How we can write C6 COOH man? C2H4O2. How we can write this one? Taking only C6H12O6. Can you simplify this fraction? Can you simplify this fraction? Yes. What do we get? CH2O. Can you simplify this fraction? By dividing with 6, what do we get by this one? This is C6H12O. What do we get by? CH2O. What is same? Two elements having what man? These two elements having what? Same empirical formula. Same empirical formula. If the two compounds having same empirical formula, they having what man? Same percentage of elements. Same percentage of elements. So what is your answer? Your option is 1. This is question number we have 42. See the question number 43 we have an organic compound carbon hydrogen 92.3 of carbon and they ask what is the empirical formula. This is the easiest question only. What is given? Carbon is given. Carbon is given 92.3. We can find the hydrogen formula 100 minus 92.3 ohm. You will get it. You know carbon weight how much here? 12 only. Hydrogen atomic weight how much? 1 only. You can do the empirical formula, simple calculation only. You will get it carbon CH you will get it. You will do the calculation. You will get what? CH is the compound empirical formula. You will get. Next question we have 44. An organic compound has an empirical formula CH2O and its vapor density 45. The molecular formula of the compound. Simple question. It is also related to empirical formula, molecular formula calculations only. What is the empirical formula is given by CH2O? I will write here. The empirical formula weight is equal to carbon how much? 12 plus hydrogen 2 are there. 2 into 1 2 plus how much here? 16 only. How much will you get? 30. And one more is given vapor density. Vapor density how much given? 45 only. You know one formula? Molar mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. From this you will write 2 into 45 that is equal to what? 90 only. You know empirical formula, molecular formula calculations here. Molecular formula is equal to what? N into empirical formula weight. Molar mass is equal to, or you can say molecular formula. You will say here molar mass. What you will get? Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. So what you can find out here? N only. You will write here molecular formula weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular formula weight, or you can say molar mass how much? 90 by, this is what? 90 by 30 only. What is that value got? 3 only. Okay na? Now we can find out what molecular formula. So molecular formula is equal to what is that value? 3 into empirical formula what we get? CH2O. From this you will get C3H6O3. So where C3H6O3 is there? You will take option 4 for this question. Okay, now we can see the next question we have 45 only. If 1 mole of H2SO4 is reaction with the excess of NaOH, how many moles of the water is formed only? So you have to write the chemical reaction between H2SO4 and water and NaOH only. So H2SO4 plus NaOH gives rise to, you will get Na2SO4 plus H2O only. This is excess only. If you take excess means 2 moles, so you will get only. So Na8SO4 plus what? H2O only. Here 2 hydrogens are there. Here 2 total 4 is there. You will write what? 2H2O. How many moles of water is formed here? How many moles of water is formed? 2 moles of the water is formed only. So you will take option 1 for this question. Here now we can see question number What is this? The hemoglobin from red blood corpuscles of the most mammals of contain approximately 0.33% of iron by weight only. The molecular weight of the hemoglobin is 67,200. The number of iron atoms in each molecule of the hemoglobin, atomic weight of iron is given 50. This is the question already discussed. This is one what related to what percentage of element only. You will write here percentage of element. Percentage of element is equal to atomic weight into number of atoms into 100 by molar mass. What molar mass only. So what is the percentage of iron is given? That is between 0.33. What is the atomic weight of iron? 56. This is x into, we have to find out number of atoms only by what is the molar mass is given? 67,200. So x is equal to 0.33 into 67,200 by this is 56 into what? 100. So approximately you will get 3.96. That is equal to what? 4. How many number of atoms? 4 is the number of atoms only. You will take option 3 for this question. Now you can see question number 47. We have 0.5 mole BaCl2 mixed with 0.2 mole Na3PO4. The maximum number of the moles of Ba3PO4 can be found is BaCl2 barium chloride is mixed with what? Sodium phosphate Na3PO4. Then what is the compound you will get? You will get barium phosphate only, that is Ba3PO4 taken to and you will get NaCl. This is the equation. So first of all, you can balance the equation. How many bariums are there here? 3. I will write 3 BaCl2. How many sodiums are there here? 3. I will write 3. Suppose I am 3 writing, whether you can say it is balanced or not, I will see. Here chlorines, how many are there? 6 are there. So I will write what you can say. I will write here 6 NaCl only. You can see how many sodiums are there? 6 are there here, 3. I will multiply this one with 2 only. This is 2 Na3PO4. This is to Ba3PO4 plus 1, 6 NaCl. So this is a balanced equation only. Now what ask here? 0.5 moles of BaCl2. Here we are taking 0.5 moles of BaCl2. It is mixed with 0.2 moles of Na3PO4. They are asking how many the maximum number of moles. Maximum number of moles of Ba3PO4 formed they are asking on. Now just you can compare with this one. First I am taking BaCl2. If you take the BaCl2, generally you can see this one. 3 moles of BaCl2 gives 1 mole of Ba3PO4. 3 mole of BaCl2 gives 1 mole of Ba3PO4 taken 2 times only. But here how many moles is given? 0.5. So 0.5 moles of BaCl2 gives how much? X moles only. So x equal to what you will get? You will get 0.5 by 3 only. What you will get here? 0. So 3 ones are 3 here. We have to do 0.166 like that we are getting on. By taking what? By taking what? BaCl2. Okay. Suppose you are taking Na3PO4. I am writing here Na3PO4 only. 2 moles you want? Here 1 mole. So 2 moles of Na3PO4 gives 1 mole of Ba3PO4 taken 2 times. But here how many moles we have? 0.2. So 0.2 mole of Na3PO4 gives x1. So x equal to 0.2 by 2, that is equal to what? 0.1. Which one is least amount? Here 0.166, here 0.1 only. So which one is the limiting reagent? We can apply the limiting reagent concept. Which one is the limiting reagent? Which one gives least number of moles? Okay, that means what? 0.1 you are getting only. So 0.1 is the answer for this question. From this we are getting what? Maximum number of the moles. So what answer you will take? You will take option 4 for this question. Now you can see question number 48. Question number 48. The solution A and B are 0.1 and 0.2 molar in a substance. 100 ml, if 100 ml of A is mixed with 25 ml of B, there is no change in the volume mixing the final molarity of the solution. The simple formula. So M is equal to M1V1, or you can say A is there, na? I'll write this one M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. What is the molarity of the first solution? A, that is 0.1. And what is the volume? 100 plus. What is the second volume? Concentration 0.2 into volume how much? 25 by total volume how much we have? Total volume here 100 plus what? 25. From this what you will get here? 10 plus 5 by 125. You will get 15 by 125 volume. You will get how much? 0.13 the answer. So this is question number what? 48 we have. So the next question 49 we have law of multiple proportions are illustrated by one of the following traits. It's a direct question only. Law of multiple proportion definition what man? If one element combined with the other element in a simple whole number ratio, or you can say if the first when two elements combine to form more than one compound, the weight of the first element are combined with fixed weight of the other element in what? A simple numerical ratio that you can say H plus and SO2. So these are two other different elements only. One is H2 is there, one is oxygen is there. That is not answer. Like NH3 and O2, two atoms are same, but here hydrogen is there, here oxygen is there. We not consider that one. Come to next one we have Na2 is Na2. Oxygens are for different elements. Come to the next one we have N2 and what? NO. That is the answer already. Already is there in your notes itself. Come to next question we have question number 50. 8 grams of O2 has the same number of molecules. Question number 50. Question number 50 you can say 8 grams of O2 has same number of molecules that same number of molecules. First you can find out the number of molecules in what? O2 only. Number of molecules in O2. Number of molecules in O2 that you can write here N into Na only. So what is N here? Weight by gram molar weight on what is the weight is given? 8 by O2 weight how much? 16 into 2, 32. 8 by 32 into Na. Can I cancel here 4 times? 1 by 4. I will write here 1 by 4 into Na. Means you will write here this is 0.5 Na. Here we get answer. This is the first option. What is the first option? 7 grams of CO. 7 grams of CO. We can apply the same formula that I will write here. Na into Na. What the weight is given? 7 by, see carbon monoxide weight. Carbon 12, this is how much? 16. How much we have? 28 only. So this is 7 by 28 into what? Na 1A. Can I write here 1 by 4 Na? 7 over times cancel, 4 times only you will get 1 by 4 Na. See the second option. Second option is what? 11 grams of CO2. 11 grams of CO2, you will write here 11 by 44 into Na. Why 44 man? Carbon 12, oxygen 30, total how much? 44 only. So I will write here 1 by 4 Na. Third option can see. 7 grams of N2. 7 grams of N2, that I write here 7 by, this is 28 into Na. Why 28? Nitrogens how many are there? 2 are there. 2 into 4 how much? 28 only. Then you will get 1 by 4 into Na. What is your answer? First one having same, second one having same, third one having what? Same with what? First one only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? All of these only. So we will take option 4 for this question number 50 we have. Now we see question number 51 we have. When 10 grams of 90% pure limestone is heated completely, the volume in liters of CO2 can be liberated only. What is the limestone formula we have? CaCO3 only. So CaCO3 on heating gives CaO plus what? CO2 only. CaO plus CO2. So how much they are heating means here 10 grams only. Okay. Suppose generally what is the weight of calcium carbonate? 100 grams only. How 100 grams? Calcium 40, carbon 12, oxygen what? 40, 100 grams only. 100 grams of calcium carbonate give how much of carbon dioxide means? I will write 44 grams of the CO2 only. 44 grams of the CO2. But here they are asking CO2 in, not in grams. CO2 they are asking in the form of which one? Volume only. So 44 grams how many moles? This is 1 mole of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 occupies how much? Volume in STP. It occupies 22.4 liters at STP only. From this I will write here 100 grams of CaCO3 occupies gives 22.4 liter of what? CO2 at STP only. At what man? STP. But here how many grams is given man? 10 grams only. So this 10 grams of CO3 gives X liters only. Simply if you know directly you can write 2.24. Otherwise you can write X is equal to 22.4 into 10 by 100 only. You will get how much more? 2.24 liters only. So this is the volume if you are taking 10 grams only. But they are asking for which one? They are asking for what? 90% only. So this 2.24 liter. This 2.24 liter how much here? 100% only. But they are asking the question for how much more? 90% of the limestone only. If you take the 90%, you will get cross multiplication only. Then what you will get? X into 100 is equal to 2.24 into 90. X is equal to 2.24 into 90 by what? 100 only. So approximately we will get how much means here? 2.016. 2.016. So this is the question number 51. See 52 we have 19.7 kilogram of gold was recovered from a smuggler. How many atoms of gold were recovered? The given gold atomic weight. Gold atomic weight is given 197 grams only. So how many kgs are recovered? Gold was recovered. How much recovered? Man? They recovered 19.7 kilograms only. You will write here 19.7 into 10 cube grams only. What the question is asking? How many atoms of gold was recovered? How many atoms of gold was what? Recovered only. If you want to write this one, what you can find here? You can find out what number of atoms only. They are asking what here? How many atoms of the gold was discovered only. So what you can find out means here you can find out the number of atoms only. Number of atoms will what here right here? N into Na will write only. So N into Na, what is N here? Number of moles only. So N is equal, what is the formula? Weight by gram molecular weight. That what is given? Weight how much given? 19.7 kilograms. That you will write here 19.7 into 10 cube by what is there? We have 197 only. Okay, just we can substitute this one in this formula we have. I will get from this one 19.7 into what? 10 cube by 197 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. This one I will write here 197 by 197 into this is 10 square into 6.022 into 10 power 23. 197 cancel. Then you will get 6.022 into 10 power 25. This is 2 plus 20 how much? 25. So what is your answer? Your answer is option 4. Now we can see question number 53 only. 53 we have 2.79 grams of silver carbonate on heating strongly. Heated yields a residue. What is the weight of the residue they are asking only? Silver carbonate. So silver carbonate formula we have Ag2CO3. This Ag2CO3, suppose you are using heating this one, you will get 2Ag plus CO2 plus half O2 only. These two are gases. So this is forms what? This is forms a residue only. Okay. Now we can find out this silver carbonate weight only. Silver generally atomic weight is what? 108 only. The silver carbonate weight how much here? This is 108 into 2 we have. This is the 16 and 216 only. Okay. Silver is 216 plus carbon is 12. 3 options are there. 3 into 16 we have what? 48 only. You will get here. So this is 10, 16, this is 7, we are getting 276 only. What are the residues formed here? Silver only. Silver how much we get? Can I write here 216? Yes, we will take this one only. So what I want to write this one means 276 grams of which one? Ag2CO3. Okay, I will get here 276 grams of Ag2CO3 gives, this is 2 into 108 grams of which one? Silver only. In the problem, how much they are asking here? They are taking 2.79. If we take 2.79 grams of Ag2CO3, how many grams of A is this form? I will write this is x grams only. Do the cross multiplication. Then what I will get here? X into 276. X into 276 is equal to, this is carried here 216 into 2.79 only. So x is equal to 216 into 2.79 by 276 only. So approximately you will get how much means here? 2.16. 2.16. So you will take option 1 for this question. Now we can see question number 54 on. This is already there to better long. 5 ml of normal HCl, 20 ml of N by 2 H2SO4 and 30 ml of N by 3 HNO3 mixed together. The volume made on 1 liter. 1 liter means how much ml? 1000 ml only. The normality of the resultant solution. Simple you can write. Normality N is equal to, you will write N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus N3 V3 by V1 plus V2 plus V. Now I will get the first normal N only. What is the volume they are taking? 5. Plus for the second normality we have N by 2. What is the volume? The volume is 20. Plus this is what my N by 3. What is the volume? We have 30. By total volume V1 plus V2 plus V3 made it how much? 1 liter only. 1 liter means how much ml? 1000 ml. Okay. Now we will write here. What you will get? This is 5N plus this is 10. What do we get, man? 10N plus this is 10. 10N by what, man? 1000 only. So N you will get what? 25N by 1000. You will get N by 41. So what answer will take? You will take option 4 for this question. Now we can see question number 55 we have. Polythene can be prepared from the calcium carbide according to the following sequence of the reaction. That is given CaC2 plus H2O. CaC2 plus H2O gives rise to Hc triple bond CH plus and CaO, and one more is given N moles of Hc triple bond CH plus N moles of H2 gives rise to CH2 take N times 1. Then this is a first reaction is the preparation of acetylene from the calcium carbide. Second one is the preparation of polythene from the ethene only. Now the question is what here? The mass of polythene which can be produced from 20 kg of the calcium carbide only. Okay. So if you take the 20 kg of the calcium carbide, how much of polythene can be obtained? This is what polythene. This is what polythene only. Now I want to find out the calcium carbide weight here. Calcium carbide here, 40, this is 2 into 12, we have 24 only. We will get what? 64 grams only. Now we can see what is the weight of the acetylene molecule. What you are getting here? C2H4. Generally you are taking N times only. So this is carbon how much? 2 into 12, we have 24. 24 plus what? 28. If you take N times here, you will get N times only. Clear, man? Now what is the question asking here? Suppose I am writing here 64 grams of calcium carbide gives what here? 28 N grams of what you will get, man? Polythene only. What you will get here? Polythene only. Now what is the question asking here? If you take 20 kilograms only, if you take 20 kilograms, so 20 kilograms is what you will get, man? 20 into 1, 10 power 20 kilograms only, 20 into 10 cube. 20 into 10 cube grams of CaC2 is what? X grams. Now I want to take here X is equal to what I am getting here. This is 28 into 20 into 10 cube by, suppose what we will get here. If you take this one, what we will get? Cross multiplication will get what? 64. If you do the calculation part, then what you will get? You will get approximately 8.75 kilograms. 8.75 kilograms only. So this is question number, we have 3 more. So the next question, 56. Amount of oxygen is required for the complete combustion of 27 grams of aluminum only. Amount of oxygen is required for the complete combustion of 27 grams of what? Aluminum only. So here you see general aluminum is there. Aluminum will combine with what? Oxygen only. Then you will get here 2 O3. You can balance this one. Suppose I am writing here 2 Al2O3. I will get 4 aluminum only. Here 2 into 3 6 are there. Here 3 into 2 6 are there. Now what is the question here? Amount of oxygen is required for the complete combustion of 27 grams of the aluminum. From this equation, 4 into this is 27 grams only. Because aluminum atomic weight how much? 27 only. So you will take this one. 4 into 27 grams of aluminum requires how much oxygen? So you will get here 3 moles is there. So here 3 into this is 32 grams of what? Oxygen. 3 into 32 grams of oxygen. But in the problem they given how much of aluminum? 27 grams. So this 27 grams of aluminum requires X grams of oxygen. So X is equal to 27 into 3 into 32 by 4 into what? 27 only. So here 27 cancel. Okay. Here 4 how many times cancel? 8 times only. So X is equal to 3 into 8, that is equal to what? 24. Okay. What is your answer? Your option is 1 only. Now we can see question number 57 only. The volume of oxygen necessary required for the complete combustion of the 20 liter of the propane. Propane is alkane only. Yes. So propane has how many carbons? 3 carbons only. So I will write here C3H8 from the general formula CnH2n plus 2 N3. 2 into 3 6 plus 2 8. This is the propane only. So this propane suppose under what? Combustion. Combustion is what? Burning with oxygen only. So C3H8 plus O2 gives rise to, I will write here CO2 plus what? H2O. CO2 plus what? H2O only. You can balance this equation only. So here how many carbons are there? We have 3 carbons are there. Here how many hydrogens are there? We have 8 is there. I will write here 4H2O only. So here 3 into 2, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means I will write 5O2. This is what? Balance equation. Now the question is what here? The volume of oxygen necessary for the complete combustion of 20 liter of the propane. 20 liter of the propane. Suppose you are taking here 1 liter of the propane. 1 liter of the propane requires how much? It requires 5 liters of oxygen only. Yes, I am taking 1 liter only, or you can take 22.4 also. It become lengthy only. If you take 1 liter. 1 liter of propane. 1 liter of propane requires how much? 5 liter of water. But in the problem how much given? 20 liter. 20 liter of propane requires how much? 5 into 20. I will write here 5 into 20. How much? This is 100 liters. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? Option 4 for this question only. So this is question number what? 57 only. So 58 question, 100 grams of CaCO3 treated with 1 liter of 1 normal HCl. What would be the weight of CO2 liberated after completion of the reaction? So the reaction they are writing CaCO3 plus HCl only gives rise to CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2 only. You can balance this equation. How many fluorines are there? 2 only. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. 3 oxygens are there. Here 2 plus 1. The equation is balanced now. Now the question is 100 grams of CaCO3 is 100 grams here. Can I write 100 grams means 1 mole? Because 1 mole of CaCO3 weight of 100 grams only. Okay. Treated with 1 liter of 1 normal HCl. This is they are taking what? 1 liter only and 1 normal they are taking only. Okay, what would be the weight of CO2 can be liberated after the completion of the reaction? After the completion of the reaction, how much of CO2 can be formed in the reaction only? So they are asking this regarding about CO2 only. If we take calcium carbonate 1 mole is there according to this one. But come to this one, here actually the number of moles of HCl is what? 2 moles HCl is there. What the concept you can apply? We are applying the limiting reagent only. Here 1 mole, give 1 mole. Here 2 mole, give 1 mole only. Here 2 mole ki 1 mole only. From this I want to find out the number of moles from the given. Then I want to find out what is the amount of CO2 can be formed in the reaction only. What is given here generally? Volume given. Volume is given what? 1 liter. Normally given what? N only. From this I want to find what relation. Normally N is equal to N into M only. So normal term is equal to 1 only. What is the M factor for HCl? 1 only. Why? M factor for HCl 1 H plus ion, 1 Cl minus ion only. This is 1 into molarity. Now from this I will get molarity is equal to 1. If you know the molarity, can you find the number of moles? Yes. Molarity M is equal to what? N by V only. So M is equal to what? M into V. What is the molarity? 1. And the volume is how much? 1 only. That you will get what? 1. So M is equal to how many moles you want? 1 mole. General how many moles is there? 2 moles. Now I am writing here 2 moles of HCl gives how many moles of CO2? 1 mole of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 which weight how much? 44 only. You can add carbon 12 plus 30 to how much? 44 grams only. But here how many moles you got? 1 mole. Now I will write here 1 mole of HCl forms how many moles? Okay, 2 mole 44. 1 mole how much? 44 by 2. That you will get what? 22 grams of what? CO2. Okay, this is 44 grams only. 22 grams of what? CO2. What is your answer? Your answer is what? Option 3 for this question. See question number 59 we have 25 ml of solution of barium hydroxide on titration with 0.1 molar of HCl gave a titer value 35 ml only. The molarity of the barium hydroxide solution what the molarity of the barium hydroxide solution. So how much solution is there here? Volume is given what? 25 ml. This is for which one? Barium hydroxide, right? And one more what is given? And the molarity of which one? HCl is also given. Molarity of HCl that is given how much? 0.1 only. And give the titer value means how much volume is of HCl consumed that is given. This is what? 35 ml only. Now what they are asking here? What is the molarity of which one? Barium hydroxide. They are asking. What is the molarity of barium hydroxide? So generally you can write the equation. What is the equation to write? Barium hydroxide plus what here? HCl you will get what you will get? Barium chloride plus what here? H2O only. So if you want to write here how many chlorines are there? 2 chlorines are there. If you write this one 2H2, what you will get? 2BaCl2. So this is the equation. Barium hydroxide plus 2HCl is equal to BaCl2 plus what? 2H2O only. Now you see this barium hydroxide plus 2HCl is equal to BaCl2 plus what? 2H2O. This is the balanced equation only. So what we will compare here? We will write generally what you can write. This M1 V1 is equal to what you write? M2 V2 only. But compare this one. What is the molarity? Suppose I am taking HCl only. HCl molarity how much? This is 0.1. This is 35 only. So what is the molarity of barium hydroxide? You can find out that. You can find out that you can take this is M2 into what the volume is given? 25 only. But we can compare with you can find out the molarity, but you can compare with what here? N factor only. So N factor is how much here? How many barium hydroxide ions are involved here? 2OH only. So we get here 2OH minus means 2 only. Then what you get? This is 0.1 into 35 is equal to M2 into what? 50. So we will get M2 is equal to 0.1 into 35 by 50. You will get 3.5 by 50 only. Approximately we will get 0.07. So this is actually question number 59 only. Or you can this one you can convert them into what? You can write in the form of what? N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. If you find here N factor for the barium hydroxide, how much you get? You can find this one. So generally, but normally using M1 but if the N factor get cancelled, definitely we can use N1 V1 is equal to what? N2 V2. See the last question we have. Question number 60. You can see the question. Question number 60 you can say H2O2 solution is used for the hair bleaching. It is sold as a solution approximately 5.0 grams of H2O2 per 100 ml only. The molecular weight of H2O2 is given 34. The molarity of the solution. This question is related to what? Molarity only. Question number 60 we have. molarity, M is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume. So weight how much given na? This is 5 grams only. Gram molecular weight of H2O how much? 34 only into 1000 by 100. So here 0 will cancel. So M is equal to what we will get na? This is 50 by 34 only. So we will get approximately 1.5. So this is a 1.4 you will get, we will take 1.5 only. So this is question number 60 only. So these are the solutions regarding about the object exam only.